Hello and welcome to College of the Muscogee Nation. My name is Chris and I'll be helping you set up and install Grammarly on your personal computers. If you're new students or returning students and still using a temporary password, you will first need to change that by going to CMN email. Now to start off installing Grammarly, you will need to go to cmn.edu and find the Desire to Learn button in the upper left hand corner of the page. Once you've clicked on that, you will be taken to a login page. Here you will need to put in your CMN information, so CMN username and the password that you've created. Once you've entered that, you will be taken to D2L or Desire to Learn's welcome page. Here, if you scroll down, you will be able to find the Grammarly window. On the Grammarly window, you will be able to find the sign up page link and also an access code that you will want to write down or copy for later in the video. Once you hit the Grammarly sign-up page, you'll be redirected to this. Here you will need to put in a name for your account as well as an email and password specifically for this site. So for example, we're going to use Christopher for the name and then christopher.rhodes@cmn.edu for the email address, and just make up a basic password. After that, you'll need to hit sign up, and then you will be able to, and then Grammarly will send you a verification email. From there, you will need to go to your CMN email. Here, you will then be able to find your Grammarly email that was sent to you, as well with a verify email button. After hitting the verify email button, you'll be redirected to this page. Here you'll put in the code that we got earlier from D2L. Once the code has been inputted, you will then be redirected to this page. Here it will ask you if you want to install Grammarly on your Google Chrome. We're going to hit no for now and instead go to Grammarly's editor. This right here is Grammarly's home page and where you'll be able to install their applications on any of the other devices. If you click on apps, you will see all the locations that you can install Grammarly on. The one you're going to want to look at is Grammarly for Microsoft Office. This will let you install Grammarly onto your Word documents and Outlook. Once you've installed Grammarly on Microsoft Office, you'll be able to open up a Word document and find Grammarly either on the top menu bar all the way to the right or on the Home tab all the way to the right. When you click on it, you will need to log in using your Grammarly login. If you have any other questions or need more help, please contact CMN IT at 918-549-2822. Thank you.